Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn piano with ADHD. First, divide your practice into short, focused bursts, perhaps 15 minutes at a time, to prevent overwhelm and maintain engagement. Next, create a dedicated, quiet practice area free from distractions like phones or other devices. This helps signal to your brain that it's time to focus. Finally, incorporate visual learning tools, such as color-coded notes or sheet music, to make complex information more accessible and engaging for your unique learning style. To enhance your focus, try incorporating brief movement breaks or using a fidget tool between practice segments. This can help release excess energy and prepare you for the next focus period. A metronome is also incredibly helpful for developing a consistent rhythm and keeping your timing precise. Most importantly, choose pieces of music that you truly love. This personal connection will significantly increase your motivation and make the learning process much more enjoyable and sustainable. When tackling new pieces, practice each hand independently until you feel comfortable before attempting to play both hands together. This breaks down the task into smaller, more manageable steps. Recording your practice sessions can provide valuable insight, allowing you to objectively hear your progress and pinpoint specific areas that need more attention. Remember to master one small, challenging section of a song completely before moving on, building your skills incrementally. Staying motivated is key. Make sure to celebrate every small victory, whether it's mastering a new chord or playing a short phrase perfectly. Acknowledging your progress reinforces positive habits and keeps you engaged. Consider finding a supportive piano teacher or joining a community of learners. Their encouragement can be invaluable. And hey, while you're mastering the piano, why not let technology handle the chores? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.